See, we have done full configurations, correct now? Controlling area, everything. Now today that controlling area also we created, a number range also we created. Now we will create how to create a GL accounts. I will show you. Okay, right. Creation of GL accounts. Creation of GL accounts. /n FS00. /n FS00. Account, what chart of account he created? SOFA. SOFC, FOSFA, I think, I don't know which one you created. This one only, no? SOFA. Correct, no? Right.
Yeah.
If you see here, asset, what is the number? 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Now come to that screen. GL creation screen. Down.
Liability is 51 to 100 and
yes. You come to down that screen is there, no? Another screen. GL creation. Asset 1 to click on here, white button is there, no? Second one. Not that one. Second. First, second beside. That one. That one is create. Click that one. Okay. First change the company code. That is not our company code. Put your company code.
Yes.
Yes, for F1. Correct, no? So F1. Okay, top. For example, if you want to create asset 1 to 50, no, any number you can give. Give one.
Here.
Give one. Enter. Come this GL account type. Select the GL account type. This is the balance sheet account. Correct, no? Asset is the balance sheet. No? Down. Now select the group. What the groups you created, no, that groups it will come here. Asset. Create cash in hand. Text. Cash. Text. Give the GL name. Cash. Anything. Long text also cash. Cash in hand. Same. Cash in hand. Same. Go to control data. Second tab. Here only balance in local currency. Click. Tick mark. Come down. Short key is there, no? Down. If you come down. 001. This is the standard. 001. Now go to third tab. Create bank interest tab. Here field status group you need to give G001. 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 General ledger. Enter save. Save. Bring your company code. Go to that change company code. Headphone button is there, no? That one. Change company code. Remove that one. Give yours. Continue. See, came. Drop the asset. If you click on asset, arrow mark is there. See, beside asset. See, this is your GL account. Cash. If you double click means, if you want to change means we can change. Okay. Any description, anything. Okay. You want to click this one here. Pencil button is there. No, that is change button. Top,
This
third
one.
one. That one. First click the asset and you need to click that. First you need to click the
Oh,
GL account. First select the
yes,
GL
sir.
account.
Okay.
Select. Now click on change button. This window will be activated right side.
Okay.
Here you can change if you want. It will be enabled. Now save. Save. That's all. Like that, you need to create the GL accounts. Asset 5, okay. Expenses 5,
Mhm.
income 5, and a liability 5.
Okay.
Okay, I will show. We will create one expenses. Okay, which one we'll create?
Okay.
Rent paid we'll create, for example.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on create button. Create button. Create button. Second one. Second.
Yeah.
Company code correct only, no? Expenses number what?
Yeah. 101, I think.
Check down already. You are open the screen now.
Yeah, yeah. 101. Yes.
101. 101 to 150. You can give starting number. Your wish. 101.
Yeah.
Enter. GL account. It will be non-operating. Non-operating. Some any GL account rent paid. Second tab. Only balance. Short key 001. Next, third tab, G001. Same, enter same. See, one asset came, one expenses came.
Yes.
We'll create one income. Okay. Income, anything
Okay.
you tell. Something you tell. Rent received.
Rent receipt. Yes.
Create rent received. Give the income number. What is the income number?
1, 5, I mean, 1, 5. Yes. First tab. Non-operating. Income.
Rent received. G001. Same. See, one asset we created, one expenses we created, one income we created, one liability you create. Create rent payable. Number. Liability. 51 to 100. Rent payable. Balance sheet.
We need to primary cost.
Balance sheet, no. Liability is balance sheet.
Okay.
See, assets, liabilities are balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
Expenses and income are first we are creating non-operating. Okay. first assets liabilities belongs to rent payable. Rent payable. Assets liability belongs to balance sheet and expenses and income belongs to non-operating.
Non-operating. Period.
G00. Save. Now if you drop one by one means 4 will be there. Asset drop. Expenses. Income. See, like that we need to create a GL account. See, whenever you are creating next GL accounts, no, you check this number and give next number. You understand? No?
Okay.
See, first time only we have went there OBD4 and check the numbers. Okay. Once we created one GL, no, next number you can give. See, for example, if you want to create asset, another asset, you can give the next number, number 2. Already 1 is there, no.
Okay.
You can give the next number.
1 to 50. 1 to 50.
You can give any number. In expenses also you can give any number in between. In income also you can give 152, 154, 150, your wish. And liability you can give any number, 52, 53, 54, 55, like that. Okay, this is the process. Now what is your job means? Try to create 5 assets, 5 expenses, 5 incomes, 5 liability. Search in a Google and find out the GL accounts and try to create. And parallelly, another any company is there, no, in your hand?
Yes.
That one also you try to complete all the steps. Try to create up to here. Okay. When you create this GL accounts means after GL accounting, we'll try to post one small account entry. We'll see. But keep it ready, all the GL accounts. Okay. Any GL accounts you create, you can search in a Google, some assets GL accounts will be there. Some expenses will be there, some incomes will be there. Okay, and some liabilities will be there. Okay, see, first button is a create button, white button. Okay, second one is a change button, change. Third one is this is find. This is display. Change. That is display. Okay, copy. That one. Copy. Okay. Block that one on it. This is the change company. Change company code means if you want to create another company code means you need to click that one. For example, click that one. For example, I am telling. If you click that one, here already you created for another company. If you give another company, that GL accounts you can see. Okay, like that. For example, you are having another company, no?
Yeah.
In that company, if you create in that company GL accounts means you can go there and change the company code and you can see that GL accounts. Okay, for that company code, how you need to create GL accounts means a create button is there, no? If you click, for example, click create button, here you need to change the company code down. For example, here you need to change the company code. Here top numbers for that company code, what configurations you have given, that numbers you need to give here. Like that. Okay. Try to create all the things tomorrow. Tomorrow I will check it. Okay. Bye. 5 enough. Assets 5, expenses 5, income 5, liability 5. And if you have time for another company, already you are doing, no? Did you complete full configuration? That one?
No, not yet. Not yet. I have done. I mean,
that one also you try to complete the configuration.
I need to do it for second. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye.